done many projects with Sunshine on a Rainy Day, and this one was my favorite so far.
Let's go, Anderson!
I say that every time. Anderson, he is the coolest kid.
We got a special guest for you.
He is just so happy, so full of life.
I wouldn't have done it for anyone else. He's one amazing kid.
It was amazing seeing somebody that I've seen for years on TV, you know, now to get an opportunity to actually meet him.
Shake his hand, hold his
I got your NWO shirt, man. Nobody has one of those. Nobody.
I wanted to create this room just for Anderson.
This is amazing. I mean, and so I just thank Sunshine on a Rainy Day and Pete and Holly and all the volunteers, Jen, Nicole, and there's so many.
Wow! Yeah! I love it! I loved it! I love it! Oh my gosh.
It's overwhelming, just the love that was poured into this room. And you can tell by looking at it and the volunteers that were involved in this, it's hard to put into words, the generosity.
I left my room and said nothing.
It was incredible. Jen and I had so much fun from beginning to end. Lots of hard work was put into it, but we loved every second of it.
To see the outpouring and to see what they are able to give a child and to put activities and things into his life that he just would not have a room like this if it wasn't for Sunshine on a Rainy Day.
And to be part of this has just been great, and the turnout's great, and the room, and Anderson's, just been fantastic, and I love you, buddy. I love you. Let me ask you a question for real. Really, are you gonna have fun in here?
Yes.
Isn't this cool? The couch, look at the couch.
Yep.
And you got your video games right here.
Yeah.
You got John Cena over there.
Thank you, Sunshine on a Rainy